Hi, today I'm going to show you how to cluster model rocket engines, specifically Estes model rocket engines. Now, I have super glued these together, and what you want to do is you want to put the igniters in and wire them parallel. If you do not wire them correctly parallel, what's going to happen when you try to ignite your rocket is one engine will ignite and the other will not, or they will ignite just a split second apart, and that is just enough to send your rocket, instead of on a great launch, on a disastrous cartwheel into the sky or into your yard. So you want to take your model rocket igniters, take the plug. Now, if you need to, you can remove the piece of paper that divides the wires. I mean, you don't have to have it there, but sometimes I leave it there. Okay, so there's one. Take the other one, put it in the exact same way. Now these engines I have here are an Estes A3-4T. But if any of you have ever done rocketry before, you know that each letter higher, like B is twice the power of an A, C is twice the power of a B, D is twice the power of a C. So by taking the two A3-4T rocket engines and putting them together, I have essentially made a B model rocket engine if they both ignite at the same time. Okay, so I've got them in the same way. Then, now like I said, you don't have to leave the paper there, but you can. Then I simply twist the wires together. So that they are wired in parallel. And then once you put your clips for your rocket, your model rocket engine ignition system, the power is pushed, both engines ignite at once. Now you want to make sure that the wires, even though they come dangerously close to each other up here, are not touching each other. If they are touching each other, you will not get a good connection and your rocket will not ignite. There's a lot of technicality that goes into this. Just make sure you do it safe, and you can double your rocket's altitude by creating a model rocket cluster engine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.